Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and today we are going to do a quick comparison between the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro gimbal and the smartphones when it comes to stabilization as well as some advanced features to show why the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is the better option for content creation compared to a smartphone without it. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So recently, all of the flagship smartphones, they come with the video stabilization feature, but still the performance of a gimbal or stabilizer is going to be way better. And considering that the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro comes with a super sensitive, super smooth 3-axis stabilization, it's going to provide a buttery smooth video with your smartphone compared to if you record it in handheld position. Here are a few samples recorded on a smartphone with Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, and another one is without it while holding the device in hand, and you can get the idea that how much difference you are going to get when it comes to stabilization. And the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is not just a regular smartphone gimbal, as it comes with plenty of advanced features that you can use for video recording to bring your content creation to advanced level. For example, it comes with the support for Apple Dock Kit, providing the native tracking feature in the iPhone camera application, and it also comes with AI-powered Deep Track 4.0 in the Insta360 smartphone application that once again provides some unique features like the active zoom tracking, multi-person tracking, and pro framing grid that you won't find on any of the smartphone camera application or the gimbal of any other brand. And if you do not have an iPhone, then you can still use advanced tracking feature with any smartphone using the Insta360 AI tracker. The Insta360 application is very feature rich, comes with plenty of unique features that improve the content creation a lot, For example, you can take panoramic pictures, 360-degree pan videos, etc. using the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro with your smartphone that won't be possible without it. It comes with many other creative shooting modes that you can use for different kind of content creation and video recording. So if you are a vlogger, content creator, or just a guy casually recording videos for your social media content, etc., then the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is one of the must-have gadget for you, as it is going to improve your content creation. If you're planning to buy the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, or you can click the one appearing at the top right corner of the display. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.